Motorcycles for beginners, the ultimate guide. Suzuki GSX250R. The Suzuki GSX250R is a beginner-friendly sport bike that perfectly balances performance, comfort, and affordability. Designed for those new to motorcycling, this entry-level machine offers a sleek design, approachable power, and user-friendly features that make it an excellent starting point for riders looking to hone their skills on two wheels. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Suzuki GSX250R lies a 248 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that produces 24.7 horsepower and 23.3 Newton-meters of torque. While modest in power, this engine delivers smooth and predictable performance, ideal for beginner riders. The power delivery is linear, making acceleration intuitive and easy to manage, whether navigating city streets or taking on longer rides. The GSX250R's 6-speed transmission ensures seamless shifting, helping new riders build confidence as they become accustomed to gear changes. With a top speed of around 85 miles per hour, 137 kilometers per hour, the bike is capable of highway cruising while remaining unintimidating for those still developing their riding skills. Comfort and ergonomics. Suzuki has designed the GSX250R with rider comfort in mind. The ergonomics are relaxed yet sporty, featuring slightly raised clip-on handlebars and a low seat height of 790 mm, 31.1 inches. This setup provides a comfortable, upright riding position that reduces strain on the back and wrists, making it suitable for both short commutes and longer rides. Weighing 181 kilograms, 399 pounds, the GSX250R is lightweight enough for new riders to handle confidently while offering a stable and planted feel on the road. The suspension system, consisting of a telescopic front fork and a rear monoshock, absorbs bumps effectively, providing a smooth and comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. Features and technology. The Suzuki GSX250R is equipped with several features that enhance safety and usability, particularly for beginners. Full fairing design. The aerodynamic fairing not only adds to the bike's sporty appearance but also reduces wind resistance, offering better stability at higher speeds. LCD instrument cluster. The fully digital display provides essential information, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and trip meters, in an easy-to-read format. LED lighting. The bright LED headlight and taillight improve visibility, ensuring a safer ride in low-light conditions. Fuel efficiency. With an impressive fuel economy of around 76 miles per gallon, the GSX250R is a cost-effective option for daily commuting and longer trips. The verdict. The Suzuki GSX250R is an ideal motorcycle for beginners seeking a balance between style, performance, and practicality. Its approachable power, comfortable ergonomics, and modern features make it a confidence-inspiring option for those starting their motorcycling journey. With the GSX250R, Suzuki delivers an entry-level sport bike that's as enjoyable to ride as it is reliable, setting the stage for countless adventures on two wheels.